Okay, in this video we are going to look at how we can obtain information about the operating system and the operating system version uh, from Python. So in order to do this, we have to import something called import OS. Once we have imported OS, which means operating system module, so you can run this, nothing happens. So first, if you need the operating system information, first thing you can have is like you can use a print command and os dot, and here we have the name, so you can get the name. So for Windows it will be nt. So if I run this now, you can see that nt appears. So this is how, this is one way you can classify the name. So there are other things as well. So to check those things, let's import platform. So import platform. So next we are going to use print and you can call platform dot. There are different things. So one important thing is the system. So if we type platform dot system, you can get the name of the operating system here. So next I will run this and you can notice that it gives me the result Windows. So suppose you want to know the version of Windows, so to do that I will use the print command, and next you can use platform dot release. So when you use this release function from the platform, then you can get the version. So here it says nt Windows and 10, so release is the 10. So this is how we can get basic information about the operating system and the platform. So hope you learn this, and thank you very much for watching.